friends, Mrs. Cascaden here. I'm going to do a quick how-to video on our new program we will be using for language arts. So let's get started. There are two ways you can access this web page. The first way is in the address bar. You may type ixl.com. The other way is accessing it from the Canvas e-learning homepage. If you scroll down under the language arts icon, there's a link to this IXL homepage. So either way is fine. It's totally up to you on how you want to get here. Okay. The second thing is we need to enter our username and password. Okay. And for your username, you will enter your first name, your last name, all together, no spaces, and then the numbers 247. Okay, this is the same for everyone. First name, last name, 247. The password is your lunch account number and also the number you use when logging on to your Chromebook. Okay, so after that information is entered, we will click the green sign in button. So we'll do that now. And you're going to come to this page right here, the recommendations page. From here, you will click on Language Arts. When your cursor is hovering over it, it will light up blue. So now that we're there, we're going to go ahead and double click on Language Arts. And it will bring you to this page, IXL Language Arts. From here, you're going to scroll about halfway down till you see the blue box with the white number 4 in it. It says 4th grade, and to the right it says see all 224 skills. Okay, we will go ahead and click on that, and you will be brought to this page, which is the 4th grade language arts skills page. This is where all of our language arts lessons are. There's a variety of skills. We will not get to all of them, but for this week we are only going to focus on reading strategies, and then F, literary devices. For Monday you will do F1, which is identify similes and metaphors, and on Wednesday you will go through this process again and you'll go to F2, which is similes and metaphors with pictures. Okay, so when you want to go to a lesson, you will just put your cursor over it and it will automatically put a line underneath it to let you know that that's the one that you have selected. So we'll go ahead and click on it, and when you click on it, it opens up this page. So it takes a moment for my camera to focus here. Okay, and it begins your assignment. And it should say F1 up here, identify similes and metaphors, so that you know you're on the correct page. Okay, so it's going to ask you a question. This particular one says, does the sentence use a simile or metaphor? Okay, it gives you a sentence, you choose simile or metaphor, and then you'll click submit. Okay, if you get to this page and you're not sure what a simile or metaphor is, okay, one, you can access your red folder that has a packet in it that Mrs. Cascaden handed out to you at the beginning of the school year that has examples of figurative language. Or, this is one of the features I love about this IXL program, you can come up here to the down arrow where it says learn with an example. And if you click on that, it automatically opens up an example. It gives you a very similar question, okay? And then it explains what a simile and metaphor is. So if you read through here, then it will help you be able to answer, hopefully be able to help you answer, I should say, the question. And it also has the solution, okay, to the example. So it explains it to you. So that's pretty great. I love that. I love that feature. Okay, so now we're back at the screen. And the other thing I need to tell you is, how do I know I'm done, right? That's probably a question that some of you may have. So, I talk about a SMART score on that e-learning homepage in Canvas. Your SMART score needs to be 80 for you to be done, to be completed, okay? If you want to strive for 100 points, by all means, go ahead. That makes my heart happy. However, you only have to get to 80 like I said, okay? So, how do you get there? Well, you get there by answering questions correctly. When you answer a question correctly, it will say correct, okay? And your score is going to go up. If you answer a question incorrect, it's going to take you down a few points, okay? Or not give you any. And then it's going to give you an example and tell you why you missed it. So that's another great feature of IXL, okay? So once you've reached all of your 80 points, you will just exit out of this like you do Google Docs, okay? There's no submitting at the end or turning in, okay? I will be able to see your score and give you a grade based on that, okay? So please remember, if you have any questions about this, go ahead and send me a message in Canvas inbox, and I will help you access or navigate this website. I hope this video helps you. Please show it to your parents in case you're not quite sure what to do. Maybe they will be able to help you after watching this. All right, bye for now.